Alright, welcome back. As you see from the board, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about pre-framing. In this case it's not necessary for me to write on there, but you need to know what pre-framing is because I'm going to be mentioning it a few times throughout the remainder of this course, especially when I'm talking about the products that you should be deciding on for your actual funnels. So what pre-framing is it's putting your customer into the frame of mind, that is that relates as closely as possible to the next thing that they are going to be seeing. So an example of that is if what I really want you to do is buy this eraser. The first thing that I'm going to do is give you a lead magnet about the best ways to keep your whiteboard clean. So that just puts them in. So the first thing, if you understand what I'm saying, is that I'm putting you into the frame of mind of, oh, that's something that I actually need. I need to keep my whiteboard clean. Dope, give me that. And then right after they've taken it, they've committed to wanting to keep their whiteboard clean. Excuse me, I'm burping. Right after you've gotten them to commit to the idea of they're the type of person who wants to keep their whiteboard clean, and you've gotten them into that headspace, the best thing you could possibly do is sell them something that can actually help them do that thing. So that is pre-framing. We are going to, it's a very broad thing, and I might have stumbled a little bit, but it's because it's this overarching idea that I want you to think about in terms of everything. How does step 1 in your funnel relate to step 7? What frame of mind are you putting the customer in based off of your selling messages and what it is that you're offering? All of it matters, and we'll talk about that more throughout the remaining video. So see you in the next one.